Week 17 of pregnancy is an exciting time as your baby continues to grow and develop. One fascinating milestone this week is the development of your baby's taste buds. At this stage, your baby is starting to form taste buds on their tiny tongue. These taste buds will soon be able to detect different flavors, giving your little one their first introduction to the world of taste. As your baby swallows amniotic fluid, they begin to experience subtle flavors from your diet. This means that the foods you eat can influence your baby's taste preferences even before birth. So, it's a great time to enjoy a variety of healthy foods, as this can help shape your baby's palate. Your baby's sense of taste is just one part of their sensory development. Alongside taste, their sense of smell is also beginning to form, laying the groundwork for their future eating habits and preferences. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is important not just for your health, but for your baby's development too. Staying hydrated and avoiding excessive sugar and salt can also contribute to a healthy pregnancy. As you continue through your pregnancy journey, take a moment to appreciate these incredible developments happening inside you. Each week brings new changes and milestones, bringing you one step closer to meeting your little one. Embrace this time and enjoy the unique connection you have with your baby. The choices you make now can help set the stage for a lifetime of healthy eating habits. Keep nourishing your body and your baby, and look forward to the weeks ahead as your baby continues to grow and prepare for the world outside.